Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. We have a 2011 Mercedes GLK350, only 91,000 miles on it. We just serviced it, brand new battery, new engine mounts. What else do we do? Our front pads and rotors on it. You can see the body's in great shape for an 11. I mean, you got one little scuff there, but and then the front bumper, there's a little bit of a scuff right here. Right here, but as you can see, for 2011, this thing very well kept, 2 owners, no accidents, super clean car. There's a tear on the seat here, it's covered up with some tape. We'll start her up. She has 91,336 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you have a Mercedes or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle and you need some work done, definitely give our repair shop a shout. 228-438-2056. Thank you for checking out our video.